Well, new revelations have blown the lid off what could have been a catastrophic series of attacks in the national capital. Sources have now confirmed to NDTV that Dr. Muzammil and Dr. Umar, two accused in the Red Fort blast case, had conducted a recce of the Red Fort as early as January this year. Now, in terms of what the investigators have found is absolutely chilling. Phone dump data places Muzammil at the Red Fort in January, and during questioning, it's been revealed that they were planning for some sort of action on the 26th of January. Even more disturbing, you must note, plans were reportedly in place for an attack during the time of Diwali as well. Tejshri Purandare has been tracking all the latest revelations for us. She joins us live with further clarity currently. Tejshri, this clearly points to a larger, long-planned conspiracy, not just a one-off explosion, from medical professionals to alleged terror operatives. How deep does this network run? What are investigators saying currently? And was there any prior intelligence on any threat alerts around Diwali linked to this particular module?
Well, all these things are under investigation because the manner in which, this kind of incident has taken place, that is very important to note, because the timing is also very important. And currently, let me tell you that I am reporting from the same location where he parked his vehicle for 3 hours. But important to note is, where was he? Within these 3 hours, was he inside the vehicle? If he was inside the vehicle, what did he do? Whom did he speak to? Number two, if we talk about then the big revelation that we are picking up right now is, in this entire case, he went to Mayur Vihar Phase 1. Now again, one more important question. Why did he go to Mayur Vihar Phase 1? That is also one of the crowded area. If we start from Mayur Vihar Phase 1, then we also note that there is also Akshardham Temple. Then he headed towards Connaught Place. So these were the two main locations where he went. He stopped, did a recce, and then came here finally where we are reporting right now. So this entire stretch is near around Mayur Vihar to Connaught Place, 20 minutes, and then to the Suneri Masjid parking, it is around 10 to 15 minutes. So that's the big question, that what he did now. All the CCTV cameras of Connaught Place inside and outside circle will be scanned. But again, one more important thing to note is, why did he go to Mayur Vihar Phase 1? There are two important locations when he reaches towards Connaught Place. One is, if we talk about, that is the ITO, and one is Akshardham. Now let me tell you the parking lot where I am reporting right now. This is the same parking lot, viewers, where he parked his vehicle. So you can see that this is the entire parking lot where he parked his vehicle, and he waited here for approximately 3 hours. So now this entire area was also definitely sanitized, but now all these CCTV cameras will also be monitored. Now I will show you that how busy this lane is, because if he waited for 3 hours, he must have visited the nearby areas also. If he did step out of this car, you can see how busy is this area, how buzzing it is. There is a traffic jam. Pan the camera and show on my right hand side. You can see the vehicles are moving continuously, the buses, especially the four-wheelers, cars. So that's a congested area from where he waited. He stopped, and then he executed the entire plan. So now what was the purpose? Was there a larger conspiracy behind it to go to Mayur Vihar and then to Connaught Place and then to come here towards the parking? Also the question is, was it for the first time that he did a recce? Because you see, that's the Suneri Masjid and the Red Fort entry. This entire area has been barricaded. Pan the camera and show the visuals over here of the entire area being barricaded. Now the checking is also being done. The passengers who are being, moving through this area, they are being scanned, and then only they are allowed to move towards this entire stretch. Because now, if we have to go to that area, definitely will have to get scanned, and then only will be allowed to go. These barricades have been put up. You can see the Jawans keep on showing the visuals. You can see the Delhi Police Jawans are stationed over here overnight, because now it is high possibility, that the recreation of the scene could also be done by the Delhi Police and the investigation team as well. We saw that how the FSL was also on the spot near the Red Fort where the blast took place. All the evidences from that place are also being gathered, and now a compiled investigation will be carried out, that why did he come over here. Again, I will show you the Red Fort parking, car and bus. It is written over here, Red Fort parking, car and bus. So when he must have come from this area, take towards right, he must have come towards this area. And you can see that there is also a petrol pump. High possibility that a CCTV must have captured him when he must have come over here, that's a petrol pump that you can see. When you come from that red light, he must have taken a right, or he must have taken a left over here, and then straight away headed towards this barricading, and then taking a right, he must have parked his car. Now waiting over here for 3 hours, that's a big question. What did he do? His phone was switched off meanwhile at that point of time. Why was his phone switched off? Was he using some another SIM? Was there some another number that he was using? Did he contact someone else? Did he meet someone else in Mayur Vihar and Connaught Place? Did he purchase something? Did he buy something? Because remember that before entering to the national capital, he did get the PUC check done. Now you see how sharp and how mastermind he was, that he knew that if he had to enter the national capital, his vehicle definitely will be scanned, because the pollution is at its peak. It's 700, it's 800, and that's why he got everything scanned. He got everything up to the mark and then entered the national capital. Back to you.